Okay, well, a few light showers still in place for us across the UP, and we'll keep them around for the early half of the evening, but a lot of this will begin to dissipate on into the latter half of the night, and also clouds will start to get out of here. Now, maybe a few patchy areas of fog to start off tomorrow morning, but afterwards, a lot more of that sunshine is on the way. Definitely cooler out, though, especially from what we saw over the weekend. Temperatures for a lot of the region only in the 50s at the moment. Here in Marquette, where are we currently? Well, we're sitting at 59 degrees, so just barely in the 50s, but there nevertheless. Mostly cloudy skies, winds right now out of the northwest at 14 miles per hour. Upper 50s in Marquette. As you head farther off towards the west, you'll notice some numbers that are currently in the middle 50s in Houghton and in Ontonagon, both at 54. 59 in Ironwood, lower 60s showing up in Florence and in Crystal Falls. And eastward, numbers around the similar, more of a similar range. Upper 50s here in Munising, 61 in Escanaba, 67 in St. Ignace, and here in Ishpeming at 59. Winds right now, northwest 12 in Houghton, 16 in Iron Mountain, while at 14 in Escanaba. So a bit breezy out there, but as I mentioned before, a lot cooler than where we were over the weekend. And how much so? Well, from just yesterday at this time, 20 degrees cooler here into Marquette, 22 as you go into Iron Mountain, and 20 degrees in Ironwood. So about a 20-degree drop for a lot of our locations, and it looks like as we head on into the evening, maybe even a few of us will be dropping into the 40s before we wake up tomorrow morning. But light rain, that begins to come to an end for us. Tomorrow, sunny and mild with high pressure now in control. Temperatures a bit warmer than today because of the sunshine, as we'll top off in the 60s in some locations, and a few of us even in the lower 70s as you head farther inland. And remaining quiet. High pressure will be in control for tomorrow night and heading into Wednesday, before maybe rain chances pick up for us later on into the week. But let's take a look at our setup right now. Beginning to dry out. All the rain now moving off to our east as we head on into the rest of the night. Cooler air coming in from the north. It looks like a lot of the activity when it comes to the rainfall will remain well south and east of the region. Jet stream beginning to dip down just a bit for us, allowing that cooler air to really settle into place across the entire Great Lakes. But as I mentioned, things quieting down for us. Mostly clear skies as we head on into the night. We'll see more of those clear skies on into tomorrow, and also expecting that into tomorrow night and also into our Wednesday. So for tonight, we'll see those numbers dip down into the upper 40s. Gradual clearing with all the clouds and rain heading out of here. Winds out of the north-northwest between 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now tomorrow, we'll see those numbers begin to warm up a bit with the sunshine in place. Winds out of the north-northeast between 10 to 15, so a bit of a breeze, but not too much for us. High temperatures around the 60s as you get closer to Superior at 66 in Houghton, 66 also in Lawrence. North and west, Ontonagon at 70 degrees, a cool 61 in Munising, while middle 70s showing up in Crystal Falls, Florence, and in Iron Mountain, and lower 70s being seen across Escanaba and in Manistee. Now, as we take a look at your 7-day forecast, numbers will continue to rise for us over the next couple of days. Tuesday, 66, lots of sun. Wednesday will top off at 75 and seeing a decent amount of sunshine on that day. Also with high temperatures only topping off in the 60s by Thursday. And why is that? Well, our next system will be coming in, bringing more of the clouds and rain in place, and that will also usher in a cool air mass as we head on into Friday. So we'll dip back down into the 60s Thursday and Friday before the weekend. Doesn't look to be too bad for us. 70s do return. Not too hot, not really too cool out there. Lots of sunshine definitely for us on Saturday, but maybe a few more of those clouds do arrive for us as we head on into next Sunday and Monday.